Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I will tell you about how to connect Shopify to Shiprocket. Shiprocket is e-commerce sellers with AI-driven technology and dependable services encompassing conversion, order fulfillment, shipping, buyer communication, returns management, and more. And their platform leverages data, workflows, and supply chains at scale providing. So how you can connect it to your Shopify store? Just follow the system steps and you can do it very easily. First, open Shiprocket and then log into your account, and then after login, and then from the bottom left, select channels from here. Then after selecting channels, from here select all channels. Then you will redirect it to the page, and from here select add a new channels. Then from here select Shopify. Then enter your URL, Shopify URL, Shopify store name. For example, your Shopify store name myshopify.com. Then select connect to Shopify. Then from this page review everything, and then select install app to install Shiprocket app to your Shopify store. After installing it, then you will be connected with Shiprocket to your Shopify store. Now from here you can edit your general information. You can edit channel ID, channel name, communication brand name. Also you can change pool order statuses. Then you can also edit payment statuses, and whatever you want to change. So after change everything, then select save to save the change, and that's it. That's how you can connect your Shopify store with Shiprocket. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tech tips.